Jai Hind children. Today we will learn about taskbar, start button, quick launch toolbar, exiting windows and turning off the computer. Taskbar. What is the taskbar? It is the longest button on the desktop. The taskbar usually appear at the bottom of your screen and it contain the taskbar usually appear at the bottom of your screen and it contains the famous start button which you use to start your programs. Whenever you open a program, document or windows, an icon for that program appears on the taskbar. This lets you see which programs are running and easily switch between them. The quick launch toolbar gives you quick access to your most frequently used program. When you turn your computer on, it will show the Windows desktop. That is the starting place for all the programs. Now take the following steps. Yes, very simple. We can see here this longest button is taskbar. From here to here you can see my mouse is there, my mouse is blinking on that side. Here to here, this is the taskbar. The taskbar usually appear at the bottom of your screen. Desktop is here and your bottom button is here and it contains the famous start buttons which you use to start your programs. Whenever you open a program, document or windows, suppose you want to open from here any country. This is it is a folder, this is and it is a Firefox, it is a obvious and it is a documents and any other want you. If you want to add any other programs in taskbar, you can just select that icons or programs and drag in this pin. Now it is here, it is in taskbar. Whenever you want to click here, that program appear on the taskbar. This lets you see which programs are running and easily switch between them. Suppose you want to click on this, it will be open, and now click on this, it will be open. Yes, this program has been opened, and when you have to minimize, it will be shrink this apps or applications or this program files. Yes, very simple. You can see here it is now. This time it is all are in shrink positions. Whenever you click from here, it is a taskbar. In that, this program is located to see which programs are running and easily switch between them. Suppose you want to open this Chrome file, programs, applications, it will be open, and now if you want to click on Word documents, it will be open. And whenever you have to click on minimize button, It is the minimize button. It will be the shrink and inside the taskbar. Maybe you have understood. Yes, it is the longest button on the desktop. From here to here you can see it is the longest button on the taskbar. The taskbar usually appear at the bottom of your screen and it contains the famous start buttons which you use to start your program. Now start button. Now start button. Start button. Let's see how can you use start button. The start button lets you quickly open your program and documents. It is the start button. When you will be click here, see, yes, all apps, power, setting, file explorer and many programs are there. If you want to click on all apps or all application, all programs and see, now it is the alphabetically given program's name, application's name. The start button lets you quickly open your programs and documents. You can also use the start button to find files and change the setting for Windows. Yes, very simple. You can see here. From here, file explore and settings. From here, you can change setting for Windows and quickly open any programs which are installed in your PC, computers, your computers or your desktops. It is a depend on you. Suppose I want to click on here for see the all programs. See, these are the all programs are there. If you want to any file open, you can click from here and it will be open. Suppose I want to open Word, Microsoft Word 2016 and click on here. Now you can see it is open. Maybe you have understood. Once again I want to show start button is here. The start button lets you quickly open your programs and documents. You can also use the start button to find files and change the setting for Windows. From here you can change setting for Windows. Click on here, it is a setting for the Windows. Yes, or any other. If you want to file explore, see, you can find here. From here this side documents, these documents window will be open. You can see. Now quick launch toolbar. What is it? The quick launch toolbar gives you quick access your most frequently used program. When you turn your computers on, it will show the Windows desktop. That is the starting place for all the programs. Now you take the following steps. First, rest your hand on the top of the mouse Then move the mouse and watch as the arrow moves across the screen. See, first rest your hand on the top of the mouse and watch as the arrow moves across the screen. Yes, you can see on screen. Now you can see here your mouse is in moving position. Rest your hand on the top of the mouse, then move the mouse and watch as the arrow moves across the screen. Suppose your mouse is here and go down side, right side, left side, up side and down side. Yes, very simple. You can see your mouse is in moving position. Now second one, click on start. Where is the start button? See, it is a start button. Move the mouse pointer until the tip of the pointer is over the start button. Yes, you can see it is the start button. And now click the left mouse button. Click the left mouse button. The start menu pop up on the screen. Yes, when you have to click left mouse button, the start menu, this pop-ups on the screen. Then after, move the mouse pointer on the all programs or all apps. Yes, it is a all apps means all programs. Now and click on here. Yes, now you can see. Now this time you will be here, and which program you want to open. Suppose I want to open here Microsoft Word, so you can down the scroll, it is a scroll button, down the scroll and check where is the Microsoft Word. Very simple. Yes, then after move the pointer on the this which you want to open program and place the mouse pointer on the Microsoft Word and click the left mouse button to open. Yes, you can see here. Now this is the Microsoft Word is open. Choose the blank. Now it is ready for ready to type here. It is ready to type here. Finally, the Microsoft Word gets loaded and appear on the screen. Now you can enjoy typing anything on it. Once again I want to open this one. First rest your hand on the top of the mouse. Yes, then move the mouse and watch as the arrow moves across the screen, and then move the mouse pointer until the tip of the pointer is over the start button. It is the start button. Then after, click the left mouse button. Yes, click the left mouse button When you have to click left mouse button, the start menu pop up on the screen. The start menu pops up on the screen, and then after move the mouse pointer on the all apps or all programs option. Another menu will be pop up. Yes, now then after move the pointer and scroll down to your mouse. Through the mouse, scroll down, move the pointer on that which you want to open. Suppose I want to open Microsoft Word. Then after it is a Microsoft Word. Place the mouse pointer on Microsoft Word and click the left mouse button, and then after it will be opened or it will be loaded. Yes, and click on blank document. Now you can see the Word document gets loaded and appear on the screen. Now you can enjoy typing anything on it. Understood? Click on close and don't save. Yes, students, rest your hand on the top of the mouse, then move the mouse and watch as the arrow moves across the screen. Then after move the mouse pointer until the tip of the pointer is over the start button. Then after click the left mouse button, the start menu pops up on the screen. Then after move the mouse pointer on the all apps or all programs option. Another menu will be pop up. Then after move the pointer on the Microsoft Word option. Move the mouse pointer. Place the mouse pointer on the Word 2016 and click the left mouse button to open it. Finally, the Word 2016 gets loaded and appear on the screen. Now you can ready to type anything on it. Understood? Now, yes students, if there is a shortcut available on your desktop for the games or applications, you can start them directly by clicking on it. Now, how can you exit window and turning off the computer? Yes, how can you exit from Windows and turning off the computer? Very simple. Whether or not you turn your computer off or not, you should always follow the next few steps at the end of the day when you have finished using your computers. To turn off your computers, yes, click the start button and click the turn off computer option from the start menu and click on turn off option. During this, if any files are open which are incomplete, which you have not saved, first save all your works and exit all your programs before shutting down. Otherwise, your programs or files will be means not saved, means whatever you have done it will be not saved, means can't be open to your typing position, drawing position or any recording positions are not there. If you want to, once again I want to repeat it, click the start button and then click the turn off computer option from the start menu and click on turn off option. Before it, save all your works and exit all your programs before shutting down. It's clear? I want to show it. Wait. See here, I want to turn off my computer. How? Click on start button and choose, here is a given power option or turn off computer option from your start menu and click on here power, see, and shut down means turn off. You can see close all apps when you have to see closes all apps and turn off the PC. You can see here upside one message will be appear, closes all apps and turns off the PC. Means suppose I have to draw this files. I have to draw in Paint some things. I have to draw here. I want to just fill color for only so. Yes. Yes, but without saving I want to close. See, when you have to click on start button and choose the power option and shutting down, before that you can see one option will be appear upside, closes all apps and turns off the PC. Then you have to just first save this program. Save this program. I want to save by a name ABC, anyone, and then after when you have to close, the option will be not displayed. Save all works and exit all your programs before shutting down. Students, please remember it. Windows is a software which operates the computer's part according to the commands given by us. The mouse can be used only if there are windows in your computer, means graphics GUI based windows. There are many versions of Windows: Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, and now latest version is Windows 10. Windows will be show you the screen called the desktop when you start the computer. The pointer is a tilt arrow representing the movement and functions of the mouse. Clicking means pressing the and releasing the left mouse button one time. Double clicking means pressing the left mouse button twice without releasing. Each menu has a set of commands and one category. By clicking on the mouse button, you can activate any item. Yes, students, learn it and remember, take care. Bye bye.